This channel making huge money every month with only 20 videos. It says over for lakh subscriber, and this channel is simply making moral stories videos. This channel most viral video gets over for 0.7 million views. According to Social Blade, this channel earned $30,000 every single month. See, their video is very simple. Just a voiceover and images that lets me think in that there is a way to make these video in just one click. After researching of an hour, I find a best way to make these video in just one click. All the work is done by ChatGPT. So without wasting time, let's dive in. First of all, we need an engaging story. By generating stories, we use our favorite partner ChatGPT. Let's do it! But there is a problem that if we write the prompt as that write me a moral story, ChatGPT will generate simple and to boring stories. That doesn't attract your audience. To generate unique and interesting stories, I am providing the prompt in description. Paste the prompt on ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will give us SEO-optimized stories. I am copying the first paragraph just for showing you. The second step is to come on Google and type in video.ai. Click on second section. So this website will generate the entire video with your script. Now click turn text to video. Now paste your generated script on this section and click on generate video. So the processing is being started. So I am fast forwarding the video. Select same option as I am selecting, and then click on continue. So this will generate an entire video by using rare footages and voiceover. I am showing you the result. Once this get fully processed, export it and upload it on YouTube. Here is the results.
Have you ever wondered what life would be like if truth became an anomaly, a rarity in a world where deception reigns supreme? Welcome to Veritopia, a city where lying is as...
Post this video and let's the money gets in. So bye guys.